Welcome to Inside Car Mix, the place where automotive dreams turn into reality. Today, you are about to witness something beyond imagination, something that defines the very meaning of ultimate luxury on wheels. This is not just a vehicle, it's a moving masterpiece, a technological marvel, and a five-star hotel combined into one stunning creation, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. Imagine standing in front of a machine that looks like it belongs in the future, with a presence so bold it captures attention from every angle. Its sleek aerodynamic bodywork, sculpted curves, and signature Maybach grille instantly tell you this is a class apart. The LED headlights are not just lights, they're a work of art, perfectly integrated into the futuristic design, and when the vehicle lights up at night, it feels like a spaceship ready for a luxury voyage. Large panoramic windows run along the sides, offering not just a view to the outside world, but a statement of openness and elegance. The massive multi-spoke alloy wheels, chrome accents, and flawless paint finish make it clear, this is a rolling palace. Step inside, and the story becomes even more incredible. The interior welcomes you with handcrafted leather seating, polished wood veneers, ambient LED lighting in customizable colors, and a layout that feels more like a luxury suite than a vehicle. Every surface, every detail is meticulously designed by Maybach's finest craftsmen. The lounge area offers recliner chairs with massage functions, a fully equipped kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, and a dining space that can host a fine dining experience on the road. Moving further, you'll find a spacious bedroom with a king-size bed, high-quality linens, and smart glass windows that can change transparency at the touch of a button. The bathroom rivals those in luxury hotels, complete with a rainfall shower, premium fixtures, and marble finishes. But luxury is not just about looks, performance matters too. Underneath the beauty lies Mercedes engineering at its peak. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome comes equipped with a powerful V8 hybrid engine, delivering seamless power and surprising agility for a vehicle of its size. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride whether you're cruising along the highway or navigating through challenging terrain. Safety and technology are at the heart of this masterpiece, featuring autonomous driving capabilities, advanced driver assistance systems, and AI-based route planning that can find the most scenic or fastest routes depending on your mood. When it comes to owning this ultimate luxury experience, exclusivity comes at a price. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome starts at an estimated $3.5 million, with customization options that can push the price well above $5 million. For that, you're not just buying a motorhome, you're buying an unmatched travel lifestyle, a statement of success, and a personal luxury retreat that moves with you anywhere in the world.